topic is how to create a Google instance in Google Cloud. Okay, so basically create an instance, to understand what is Google Cloud, you need to have two things. The first thing is you need to have your Gmail account. Second, you need to create your Google Cloud account. So once you sign into a Google Cloud, you will get this interface. As you can see, I have already signed in here. So let's understand what is Google Cloud. Google Cloud provides basically a platform where you can deploy multiple projects. You can you can create a workloads or infrastructure for your businesses, right? Or you can even create a custom servers based on your project's requirement. So basically this tutorial is is about how to create a Google instance and how we can deploy our project on Google Cloud. So let's get started. So to create an instance, we'll need to go to a console. So let's click on go to console. Once we are here in Google Cloud console, you can see there are multiple widgets available here. Like you can see your computer engines, like CPU utilization and the number of projects you are running, resources and everything. There are lots of features. We are not going to discuss all those features right now. So as we have decided, only we'll see how we can create a Google instance. So to create a Google instance, you need to click on here, toggle bar, go to look for Google engines, computer engines. So here I've already app engines, right? So in here you can go to a dashboard. Sorry, not this one. Computer engines, you can see here you can click on VM instances. So we are going to, what is VM instance? It's basically it's provide a virtual machine, a virtual environment to your projects, right? You can see, as you can see, I have multiple projects already up and running in using this Google Cloud. So let's create a simple project for this tutorial. So to create a instance, you will simply click on create instance here. So once you have created, you can put a name, whatever name you want to put. So for me it's instance 4. You can change it as per your requirement. Below let's see the location, the region where the server location. I would like to keep it US Central. Let's see our operating system and memory utilization. So it's okay, that's good. Now let's see what operating system you want to select. So for me, I want Linux based operating system, that is Ubuntu. So I'll select Ubuntu and I would like to select version Ubuntu 91.10. You can select your disk space as per your requirement. I have given I would like to keep it by default, which is 10 GB. Now custom images, here you can select custom images, but I would like to keep it this way, which is already I have put it inside my project. I've already given it here, so I don't want anything to change here. I would like to keep everything by default. Now let's go here and click on select. Now allow default access would be same, allow HTTP traffic and allow HTTPS traffics, and simply click on create. It might take some time as per your internet connections. So as you can see, my instance is up and ready. So here you have multiple options. Now you can see I have given up IP for this instance. So when you click on this IP, you can see basically there will be no there will be nothing, as this we have just created a instance with the operation system, but we have not set up any servers. We have not given deployed any project, so you won't be able to see anything right now. Second thing what we need to do is, this is now we'll need to put this IP as a static, so that every time when you restart this instance, this IP should not change. So for that we'll again go here, we'll look for VPS network, we'll click on external IP addresses. Once you are here, you can see I have multiple instances running, and this is the IP which we have just allocated by Google Cloud. As you can see here, you just have to click static. You can put any name you want. I would just put testing 5. Description you want, if you can put it here, shown in error, then click. Now this IP is allocated to this machine, this virtual machine. Now let's get back to Compute Engine. Here you have your instance up and ready, right? So you have multiple options how you can how you want to manage these settings, or make your further configurations. So as you can see, we have SSH. You can even connect it through PuTTY. But for me, I would suggest you can directly connect to SSH. To connect through your SSH, you just have to click SSH. It will start connecting. It might take some time, as it's authenticating to your system. Now here you can see you have logged into your SSH. Now your server is running. Here you can run your commands same as Ubuntu. First of all, let's check, let's update our system. Get update. This is how you can create your instance in Google Cloud. It's very simple and very effective when you want to deploy your project. For learning purpose, I would like you guys to create a Google account and create your Google Cloud accounts, and try to explore these settings, as this is like for initial login you are getting around $300 free. So you can utilize those settings to learn or to gain knowledge on the how Google Clouds works, and how you can deploy your project. So for this is all for this tutorial. Next time we'll learn how you can set up your servers. Like we are going to set up our Apache server, and again we will also set up a PHP MyAdmin for database. So stay tuned.